Welcome to Digest.fm's daily AI news, where we keep you in the loop on the latest happenings in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, James, and today we've handpicked 5 exciting stories that showcase how AI continues to evolve and impact our lives and businesses. Let's dive right in. First up, there's a fascinating report from the Neuron that confidently debunks the myth that AI is going to obliterate jobs. In fact, it looks like AI is more of a partner than a replacement. Paul Wiseman, the author of the findings, illustrates how companies are not just using AI to cut corners, but actually investing in their workforce. For example, IKEA adopted a customer service chatbot, which prompted the company to retrain over 8,500 employees in more engaging roles, like interior design consulting. That's right, folks. Instead of firing people, companies like Alorica are using AI to increase productivity, such as their AI translation tool aimed at breaking down language barriers, and are still on hiring sprees. This is a classic example of how technology traditionally disrupts but eventually creates new job opportunities. Remember, in the blink of an eye, our economic landscape shifts dramatically, creating new categories of jobs that we can't even begin to imagine today. Now, let's transition to the intriguing world of AI-generated content with the so-called Will Smith eating spaghetti test. This quirky benchmark gauges the progress of AI video models, and believe me, it's catching on fast. From the latest insights provided, a new competitor named Minimax from China is already wowing audiences with its capabilities. It's pretty wild to think how quickly these AI models have come along. Early demos are already being showcased, and seeing AI produce such fantastical visuals is mind-blowing. The challenge for creators now becomes judging not just how real AI-generated content looks, but also how engaging it is. Check out the comparisons with earlier models. It's a tasty treat for anyone intrigued by the evolution of technology and media. Shifting gears to something vital for entrepreneurs, we've got the scoop on significant advancements in GPU capabilities. XAI recently activated a massive GPU cluster that adds another spurt of fire to the AI revolution. With plans for more expansions, this means even more computational power at the fingertips of developers working on innovative solutions. This shift not only enhances existing AI tools, but allows startups and established companies alike to tackle increasingly challenging projects. It's the kind of infrastructure development that spells potential growth in sectors from healthcare to finance, elevating what's achievable within the realm of AI applications. Let's not overlook the regulatory landscape, which often flies under the radar, but can significantly impact business practices. A pivotal piece of news coming out of California is the fate of AI regulations led by Governor Gavin Newsom. The recently passed AI bill could set the tone for how AI is deployed within the state, and possibly across the country. On the table are discussions about ethical frameworks and transparency in AI usage. Depending on the governor's actions leading up to the deadline at the end of the month, this legislation could either pave the way for a smoother integration of AI into daily business or stifle innovation with too much red tape. It's a critical juncture for entrepreneurs and tech companies to monitor closely. Lastly, let's touch on an unexpected twist: manipulating AI models using hidden text. A New York Times writer recently uncovered this fascinating vulnerability, revealing not only the potential to skew AI behavior, but also how this insight can be leveraged in SEO strategies. This opens up a Pandora's box of ethical considerations around AI manipulation. On one hand, businesses could use these tactics to enhance their digital presence. On the other, we must grapple with the ramifications of misleading AI systems. Where do we draw the line between innovation and ethical responsibility? It's a fine line that needs to be navigated carefully. To wrap it up, today we looked at how AI increases worker efficiency rather than causing job loss, the rise of new benchmarks in AI video models, significant advancements in GPU capabilities, impending AI regulations in California, and the revelation of AI model manipulation techniques. AI is rapidly transforming our lives and businesses, and it's essential to stay informed and ready to adapt. Thanks for tuning in to Digest.fm's daily AI news. Be sure to check out the episode notes for links to the full stories we covered. Join us again next time for more insights and updates from the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.